Welcome to the channel. I'm Dan and this is DCH Studios. It's been a while since we had an opportunity to do any videos. The last series we were in Colorado doing some amazing trails. Just before Halloween we got into an accident with the Jeep. We were hit from the side. The car hit the passenger side tire on the front. The impact mainly hit the front tire. It pushed the tire back into the wheel well. It broke the lower control arm bracket off of the axle and cracked and tore the upper control arm bracket off, both on the passenger side. Damaged the shock. It's bent and broken on the Fox 2.0 shock, and then the vehicle slid down the two fenders and slid down the rock rail and the rocker panel of the side of the vehicle. Since then, we spent a couple months with the insurance company trying to get it straightened out. Ultimately, ended up totaling the Jeep, buying it back as a salvage, and working on rebuilding it and repairing it and getting it back on the trails. So far, today we got it back with the new axle in. It has a TerraFlex Dana 44 heavy-duty axle with half-inch sidewalls. And it's quite an improvement from the stock axle with quarter-inch sidewalls. It's more set up for the lift, and it's a much nicer axle. The next step is going to have the body work to be done, get it straightened out as much as we can, and then I have two new fenders to put on the passenger side to clean that up. After that, we look forward to getting back on some trails, getting into some more exciting action and some great places to show you guys. After our Colorado adventure, we ordered our Engineer Pass badge and it was back ordered. It came in probably a month ago, but we didn't have the Jeep here to put it on. We got the Jeep back today, and we put our Engineer Pass badge on the side of the Jeep where it belongs. Well, it's another day. We've taken the fenders, inner fenders, and the rock sliders off in preparation to take the Jeep to the body shop to get the body work done. We've got it all cleaned up and ready to deliver today to let them start working on it. While the Jeep's away at the body shop, we will take our rock slider on the passenger side, and I'm going to sand it down and get all the damage and scratches off from the accident. Get it all cleaned up, and we'll spray it down with some isopropyl alcohol, clean all the residue from the sanding off of it, and just make sure it's all nice and clean. And finally we'll add a coat of paint to get it all freshened up and look like it did before the accident. This will give us time to cure before we get the Jeep back. Well, it is a new day and it's a great day. We got the Jeep back. Now it's time to put the fenders on and the rock slider. After that, we'll show you around and let you see what it looks like. So with that, let's get at it. Well, the sun's going down. It's getting late. We got the front one on. I think we'll pick this up tomorrow. It's another day and we're getting ready to work on the Jeep. We're going to mount the rear fender. And now let's mount the rock slider. And that does the rock slider. So that's everything put back together. So to recap, the Jeep's been gone for 105 days. It spent 40 days at the off-road shop getting the axle put in it, and it spent 17 days at the body shop. So now, 105 days later, we've got the fenders on, the rock sliders on, the body work done, the axle's back in, and we're ready to roll. So let's take a closer look at what the body shop did. So the body shop started right about in this area and worked back. They straightened out this seam, flattened everything out, and they got this radius curve here put back together really nice. The doors are straightened out, everything looks good, fits good, and I think it looks great. So I'm really excited to have the Jeep back, and I'm really excited to get back on the trails. We've got all the work done, the Jeep looks great. We're excited to get out there in 2026 and just start doing some trails, doing some photography, seeing the sights, and just having fun again. So we plan on doing some videos, keeping you guys up to speed on what's going on, and just searching for some new adventures to put on the channel to make it interesting and exciting for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you sticking with us through this build, through this restore, the rebuild, whatever you want to call it. We got the Jeep back and we're ready to roll. Until next time, thanks for watching.